Internet connectivity is a critical service that organizations everywhere depend on for their day-to-day activities. But fiber and communication cable cuts happen often, disrupting connectivity. Whether they're caused by accidents, natural disasters or weather, these blackouts affect millions of people every year. And they cost. Companies and governments lose billions every year as disruptions bring operations to a standstill. That's where Kacific Enterprise Backup can help. Think of Kacific Enterprise Backup as an insurance policy that covers your connectivity. Kacific Enterprise Backup can deliver affordable, high-speed, backup internet connectivity using a small satellite dish that is easy to install. Enjoy on-demand speeds of up to 90 megabits per second. With high link availability, only pay for data when you activate the backup during an outage. Enterprise Backup suits all business needs, from SMEs up to large-scale enterprises. Deploy Kacific Enterprise Backup in the city, the suburbs or rural branch offices. So when the main internet is down, your offices and branches can quickly switch to satellite internet. The result? Never worry about getting caught without connectivity again. You'll enjoy peace of mind knowing that your business can continue normal activities, even if your main internet access is down. Kacific Enterprise Backup, keeping you connected 24/7 with Kacific Satellite Broadband.